What?
It's rolling.
Oh. So we're on our way to Nissan to pick up parts that I bought. I bought the whole 2015 front end of a Nismo. The guy gave me a good deal. So we're picking up headlights, front bumper, daytime running lights, and all like the undershroud of the bottom of the Nismo front end and the splash shields of each wheel. Because the original 2014 ones don't fit on the 2015 ones, so I had to buy all that, and then all the little stuff like the daytime running light, like holders, like the finishers and shit. It was expensive. It was like, with the headlights, each headlight was like $1,200, but he gave it to me for a good price. He gave me a shitload off. He was my cousin. No, he wasn't really my cousin. His last name was Mendez. I was like, give me a discount, you know what I mean? He did, he hooked it up. I was gonna pay for some on eBay that are like used and scratched up for like $700, and he gave it to me for like $760 each headlight. It's not bad. I ended up spending like $4,000, which I mean, this is how much I was willing to spend to fix the car, so. Oh, you know, we forgot the bag.
What bag?
The airbag, the other airbag.
The long one?
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to run into the house and go grab it.
Alright. We forgot the airbag.
What is that? Hey, cabrón. This is it. That's where we're gonna go. I'll show you guys all the parts that I bought in a little bit. Sick. MF vlog. We got all the parts. Look, it's like Santa came. The 2 headlights, 2 daytime running, all the hardware, bumper. We'll open that up right now over there in my uncle's yard, and then we'll MF open that B up.
How did you feel about the service provided you? Oh,
Moises, my cousin, he's super cool. Helped me load it up into the truck, and I think he was as excited as I was, honestly. Hashtag would buy again from him. Right now we're heading to my Theo's yard, Enotai, and then we'll open some shit up real quick. And yeah, I just don't know if I want to leave it all there. I have to, right?
pretty sure.
What if it gets damaged? I don't know. Before pics, before and after pics.
I'm recording.
Oh!
Wow. That's the fender.
Yeah, so like I bought this. So this is the fender. You see this little dent right here? I got this fender online. The fender on eBay was like $450. The fender, the right fender for this car. I went to the junkyards right here, and they had one, and I was like, how much? And he's like, oh, $100. I was like, what? Down, let me see that shit. And he brought it out, and I was like, bro, there's a f***ing dent. And he's like, $80. I was like, okay, I'll take it. Nissan.
Get it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put everything in the shade though. I don't want it to get all f***ed up.
Yeah.
I put the other airbags, like the new ones, in there.
Oh. Yeah. These are the new airbags.
I was thinking of putting the parts here, right? What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, let's go open up some parts.
All right. Unboxing.
Yeah. The tart palette, and like from Kylie Cosmetics or whatever. Kylie's lip kit. So you see the camera. I'm just letting you know how they do that.
Oh yeah.
You know, can you see? What do you think?
I think so.
Oh, look what it says, Max. Keep the bumper in attachment position. Wow, I read Japanese, dude. Not to put the other things on the bumper.
A piece of Wood.
This is fucking block. Please don't put a block on it, please. Motherfuck. Oh, that's terrifying.
Give commentary while you're opening it, Mark.
Unboxing. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So this is the 2015, so that right there is 2014 front end bumper. I don't like how it looks. I think it looks stupid. I don't like that lip on the bottom. Some people like it, some people don't. I like the contrast. Sometimes they have like the gray Nismos. They have like the gray front bumper and the gray lower like lip. But this one has like a contrast of black, and I would have kept it the same way, but if I'm putting money into it, might as well get it the way I like it. You see how those lights, oh well, we'll talk about the lights later. Let's see. Let's open this up just to see how much. And I like the brown paper bag on this. Oh, Nissan original parts. Dumb shit. Oh my god, this is fucking annoying to open. Alright. Here it is. Can you see it?
That one, and there's this one.
Yeah.
Side-by-side comparison, Mark.
I like the material too, it's light. Does that look like memes?
Yeah.
That's it, it's the bumper I want. So the only thing is that I have to tell the guy not to paint this, and this. I want this black. You know what I mean? Alright, so these are the lamp assemblies, the headlights. Yeah, we saw these earlier, but let me show you the difference. And I show you. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is the difference. So you see how internally they're all black. And internally it's all chromed out. See? How much sicker does it look? Dank memes, bro. See or no?
Yeah.
I was gonna get them on eBay for like way cheaper, but your boy Moises hooked it up fat, and I got each one of these, each one of these headlights from the factory. They're like $1,200. He gave them to me for $760 or something like that. Around $700. He hooked it up. I asked him to because I was like, "You're my cousin." So yeah, this Kylie lip kit is dope. This tart palette. So the next one. These are the Nismo daytime running lamps. These pieces of shit. These cost like $500 each. These are expensive for just something so light.
Boy!
Something so light and so dumb. But it gives it that pop. That thing of pop in each other's assholes. I just gotta find somebody to wire that shit for me.
They can probably do it, can't they?
Yeah, they probably can. I didn't want a hole just like in the bumper. I wanted it like 2015 front end. But these were dumb expensive. They gave me a discount, but still stupid expensive. It stoops, oh, bro. Let's open up all the goodies he bought me. Let's see. All right. So the ones that are obvious is the badge. A Nissan Bajo. How do you say badge in Spanish? I mean Japanese. Nissan.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. Even this thing though was like $20, $30. Piece of plastic that sucks, and I have one.
Oh yeah.
But I wanted crisp. Like it. Now I'm gonna sell that front end. I already have a buyer for that front end.
Do you really?
Yeah, people want this shit. I don't want this shit. The other one that's stupid dope was this one. This fucking thing, you know how much this shit was? This fucking dumb piece of shit.
100.
This Nismo badge. This dumb one.
What?
I wanted it.
Okay.
And I wanted it original. I could have probably found it online for stupid cheaper.
Where does it go? On the back?
On the front, like when the bumper, there's two little holes.
Oh,
And
really?
these two things, you just pop them in.
Oh.
And then you straight.
How much was it?
Yes.
90.
More.
More? 180.
Less.
120.
130. 138.
Damn.
Ooh, that's because it says Nismo. Hold on, I got a text. It's 10:14, so we gotta leave soon. But okay, let's just see what else. These are brackets, I think. Yeah, this is to hold the daytime running lights on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
This is just plugged in. What? So
my arm's getting tired.
So that's that. That's dumb. That's the same one. This one, what's this?
My bet is that it's a head gasket.
Why would it be a head gasket?
That's where they put the head gaskets. No, I don't know.
Get the f out of here.
Damn,
This is for
head gasket.
no. So these are the protectors for the bottom of the new bumper. They're not to make them fit on something like that. You have to put them on the side like that and make them pop.
They're head gaskets.
I don't know what the fuck this is. Hopefully it's a present.
My bet is that it's
A head gasket.
it's no. It's a tow hook. No.
Oh yeah, it's
Is
the
it?
tow hook cover.
No.
Yeah, it is. I was wondering. I was like, yeah, it is. So for that bumper, see that tow hook on the left-hand side? That's where the tow hook cover is.
What the hell? That was
Yeah.
just a random guess.
That's good. Well, it's because it was for the new bumper. I don't want that shit showing. I'd rather it to be all just covered. You know what I mean?
Nah.
So that's all of that. Let's see. All right, the other thing. These two, I was curious if they came painted or not. These were the trims. I was wondering if they came black and I had to like match the paint and shit. And I was like, oh. But nah, they came painted. It's super dope too. See? This is for like the left side. For the left side, and then the right side. So that's the right side over there. This is the left side. This just pops in. Each one of these was $50. This fucking little flimsy piece of shit.
All that for a piece of plastic.
That fender liner doesn't work with the new front end. I had to buy.
So did you buy it for nothing, or are you still gonna use it?
No. I had to take that one out.
Oh.
I had to buy the undershroud for that new bumper, and then I had to buy both f***ing fender liners.
Oh, you bought both.
Yeah, left and right.
Left, right. I don't know.
So, which is dope. So at that point, I don't have any fitment issues whatsoever in any way, shape, or form. And yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. Let's get it all. And then I have the last airbag.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
This is the curtain airbag for the side that exploded. So it's good.
Good stuff.
Fake memes. Huh?
I'm recording.
Huh?
All the stuff is here.
Daytime running lights, trims, red trims, headlights, undershroud, dust shields, left and right, front bumper, put all the little stuff inside the car. So my review of Kylie Lip kit is, I mean, I think it's good, it's just not vegan. Yep, that's it. So next step, I gotta fix the rim. Let me show you guys the rim. Excellent. You guys. Like it's more than one person. So you see that? Right there. Oh. Yeah, it was pretty gnarly.
How are you
But
gonna fix that?
it's fixable.
How?
We have guys. We have people.
We have guys.
Because these are super lightweight.
Oh.
Super lightweight. They're Rays. They look Rays engineered.
You see that? Wow.
Nissan. Yep. So I gotta fix that. After we fix that, change that, send it to paint, and then.
Are you gonna keep it white?
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully it's done soon. If I get an update, we'll film it and just post it up. Fuck 'em. Let's go.
All right.
Yo, YouTube, what the is up, bro? Day 5067. I ordered one of the last two parts. I ordered this lower control arm for this car, for the right side. It says R for right. You see that, Max? I'll show you why in a bit. This thing got pretty gnarly. We're just replacing the spindle. It's because that got bent too. Just the spindle and this whole thing up top. So this was like 80 bucks. That was like another 80, 90 bucks, something like that. Nothing crazy. But the reason, let me show you. The reason why we need it. It tore this up. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right there, that right there. Like broke. That's the lower control arm, and this whole thing kind of bent in. See all this up here, the suspension. So we need this spindle. We need to push this forward, so we need a new one, and then replace this whole lower control arm. Which that same R is right there. Wee-hee! So I made sure there were Nissan parts. I made sure they're from a Nismo. And then I got them on eBay or whatever. We're gonna take this rim to the body shop and get that fixed. So once that's done, throw a tire on it, throw that bitch on there, and send it to Mexico to get the whole front end. And that's it. Yeah. The airbags are being put in. That's it.
That's it.